Cars and Coffee. It is a chilly 20 degrees outside, so it's going to be a quick stream today. Not really a lot of people out here, but let's go check out what we got in the meantime.
They literally have orange, red, baby blue, teal blue.
Got all the photographers lining up for our Porsche little setup right here.
You can't leave it like that.
Really not much out here today, like at all. Nothing back there, so. Yeah, all the Porsches are lining up, so that's nice.
It sounds really good. When it gets on it, 258. It's so fast. This thing was out.
Alright, so while everybody's doing that, let's go check out just what else is here. If anything else is here, really. So you guys will see these, well, not this one, but this, I'm sure you guys remember. Look, it's all clean now. So Jason, I guess, took it to the dealership and they cleaned it without him asking for it, because we were going to show up to Katie's all dirty and like muddy and to really kind of talk about the trip. So I'm a little disappointed in the fact that it's clean, but it does look good, doesn't it? And then we got Ben's Beetle over here. For the record, that's Ben's Beetle, not that one. Alright, let's go see what else is here. This thing's clean. Got some golfs. Check this out. 3 DeLoreans. So what happens if they all hit 88 miles an hour? It's one for each movie.
I think somebody got all three of you end up here in the same car. No, it's all the same car. It's all the same thing. No. I need to get my teeth. Oh, hey.
Let's see what all our license plates are. So we got feature car, 1.21 gigawatts. Wow. Wow. A DeLorean without a Back to the Future reference? That's rare. That's pretty rare. That might actually be it, guys. Really not much else to it today. Talk about a short stream. What are we at, like 5 minutes? Just to double check, I'll check what's in the back lot. Got the classic Mercedes. I mean, look how big Mercedes has gotten. So Mercedes was big back in the day, and now it's just ginormous. Yeah, so there's nothing back there. Nothing up there. I do want to check this out, though. Check out this BMW.
Everything else.
Mine had a bunch of rust right here underneath the paddle. Like two jabs. That care of.
Very clean. I like it.
I got that new tire plug kit.
But
Everybody
I just did the Euro bumper, Euro conversion, Euro light.
Oh, very cool.
Boom. Got the interior all got it. Like, bring your car.
All right, we'll go up front, and then what's going on, Ross? Dude, today is not a good day. In fact, the stream's about to end. There's no one here. There's literally no one here. So, yeah, I got my coffee, so I got what I came here for. But that's about it. We'll go check out the Porsches one more time. Nah. Ross, trust me. You just stay in bed. It's nice and warm. I can't even feel my fingers. Wasn't worth it. So we got my wagon. My stock boy. Got this nice R8. I don't think I've seen an R8 with a tan interior like that. V10 will come on the other side, so sun's not, or my shadow's not in the way. It is a manual though. It's nice. V10 manual. I guess we'll be able to start up. So that's pretty much it, guys. This was kind of the highlight here. And we got a little Lambo action. Is this an Evo? Kind of looks, or not an Evo, but pretty much it. So the Porsches took the highlight of today. That was pretty much the stream right there. I should have just called it, let's just check out a few Porsches, and that's about it. All right, well, Stefan will not be joining me, I think, next week. I'll be by myself once again. Hopefully it'll be a little warmer than this. But yeah, we'll catch you guys in the next stream. In the meantime, stay tuned because I'm gonna start working on the Ferrari Canada trip. So that should be a good one. I've got one other video before that. But other than that, just stay tuned for whenever we're gonna stream.